In honor of Murata's 75th anniversary, let's have a look back to the story of Akira Murata, who founded the company. In the year 1954, the corporate philosophy, Name to Say, was established. It speaks about contribution to society, enhancing technologies while applying a scientific approach, producing innovative products and solutions while being trustworthy, and about the increase in prosperity for everybody. So how does Murata contribute to the advancement of society? As a manufacturer of electronic components, Murata's products can, for example, be found in nearly every smartphone and computer, and in many more electronic products. This is done with enhanced technology and lots of scientific work. After sickly Akira finally got healthy again, he stepped up and helped the family business. He even wanted to increase the business by expanding, but his father didn't want to hear of it. He even became quite angry about Akira's idea of taking away business from others. This made a lasting memory to Akira, who thought about the reaction of his dad and did some research. Like this, he discovered the benefits of special ceramic products, and together with his father, he tried something completely new, which was the beginning of Murata's future business. Murata stands for innovative products and solutions, and also being trustworthy. Our strength comes from trusting and encouraging one another in work without having any doubts. This quote summarizes the relationship of Akira Murata, which he had with his mentor, Professor Tanaka, from whom he learned a lot. Together with him, Akira discovered the benefits of barium titanide. This resulted in great success in developing the ceramic capacitor, a product for which Murata is well known for. But Akira didn't get to where Murata is nowadays alone. Many stakeholders contributed to the increase in prosperity. In 1950, Akira got a call from a friend of his. Mr. Senada now was the director of a ceramic laboratory in Fukui Prefecture. He recommended Akira to build a factory at a location close by, which was known for good reserves of high-quality pottery stones. This was the beginning of Murata's progression of several plant constructions. But not only the company benefited from this, also the local people could profit from the new factories. Akira Murata passed away in 2006, but his spirit and his philosophy still live on.